Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a short unboxing video of this Ryobi cordless inflator and deflator pump that I bought for myself. Alright guys, as you can see, this doesn't come with battery. When I purchased this is skin only, or what we call tools only. As long as you have all the other Ryobi 1 plus 18 volt power tools, you'll be able to use this with the current or existing battery that you have. Now, let's all test a little bit. Let me just quickly grab my batteries. You have two buttons here. One is for the other pump, and this is for the tires. And then you have your button here for display mode. As you can see, there's the instruction handy as well. Press the middle one to activate. And you can set the desired pressure here. The pressure right now is in PSI, I suppose. Yes, it's written PSI on the side. It's just not clear. So you can from 10 to 15 all the way to your desired PSI pressure for your tires. Then just simply attach this to the tire, this end to the tire, then press this button. It will automatically turn off once it reaches the desired PSI as well. And for the inflator as well, you have this hose attachment. This output for the inflator, this is for the deflator. So basically this will suck air out, this will blow air into the things that you need to be blown up. On the other side, this one goes straight to the tires of the car. You have some attachment here for any type of ball, basketball, volleyball. It will accommodate that. For small pumps as well that you need. For a low volume pump, low pressure, you can use that as well. So I think that's it. Now if you run out of battery power, you can simply remove the battery by pinching these two tabs at the side, and it will release its battery. If you have a spare lithium 18 volt battery of Ryobi, it will accept that. You can still continue using your inflator and deflator. Right now I'm using a 2AH. I also have 4AH that I tried there, and it will work seamlessly. So there you go guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. Stay safe, peace out, subscribe, like, and comments below. Have a good day. Bye.